the first set for the day. Let's have a look कि क्या बोलना चाह रहा है set, right? A train stops at exactly 6 intermediate stations A, B, C, D, E and F in that order between its originating station and the destination station. So originating station और destination के बीच में there is A, there is B, C, D, E and F, and then there is destination state, right? Are we clear with this? Okay. At each of the intermediate station, twice the number of people get in as that of get down. है ना? So at each the intermediate station, getting in is equals to twice of getting down. Are we clear with this? The number of people getting down at the intermediate stations are all prime numbers. One each. To remember, one each between 0 to 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 60 in the order of the stations given above. These are number of people getting down at the intermediate station in the number of getting above. So that means A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So see, so if we draw a table, it is origin A, B, C, D, E, F, number of people getting in and getting down. See, getting down is how much? A prime number between 0 to 10. 0 to 10, what prime numbers we can get? We can get 2, 3, then we can get how much? 5, then we can get 7. So these are the prime numbers between 0 to 10. Then prime numbers between 10 to 20. So it can be 11, it can be 13, it can be 17, it can be 19, right? So no, 11, 13, 17, 19. Where 20 to 30. So 22 to 30, that means we can have 23 or we can have 29. Are we clear with this? Either we can have 23 or we can have 29. Are we clear with this? Tell me yes or no. Clarity in the mind? Yes, clarity in the mind. So these are the prime numbers possible. See, each out of the each slot of prime numbers, there will be one prime at each station. There will be one prime at each station. Yes, are we clear with this? 20 to 30 is done, then 30 to 40. So between 30 to 40, what we can have? Between 30 to 40, what we can have? We can have 31 as a prime, or we can have 37 as a prime, right? We can have 31 as a prime or 37 as a prime. Are we clear with this? Then 40 to 50. 40 to 50 we can have, 43 we can have, or 47 we can have, right? 43 we can have and 47 we can have. Are we clear with this? Then we can have is 50. We can have is 53 we can have and 59 we can have. Yes or no? 53 we can have and 59 we can have. These are the possibilities. Tell me for getting the prime numbers. These are the possibilities for getting the prime numbers. Clear with this? Yes or no? And these are the possibilities for getting the prime numbers. Clear with this? Tell me yes or no. Are we clear with this? Clear with this? These are the prime numbers that we can get. Any prime is left, any prime जो बच गया हो, 43, 41 we can also get, right? And between 40 to 50 we can also get. 41 is also the possibility. Anything else that is left? 31 and 37 are done. Between 23 and 29 are done. Okay, 53 and 59 are done. Okay, so these can be the number of people getting down, to remember. Okay, the absolute difference between any of the number of people getting in between any two consecutive stations is at least 20. So getting in is at least 20, right? Getting in between any two stations is at least 20. Are we clear with this? For example, 10 people are getting in, then the number of people getting in here can be 30, 31, 32 something. But the difference between any two intermediate stations of people getting in should be minimum 20, right? And should be minimum 20. Are we clear with this? Are we clear with this? Okay. The total number of passengers getting down at all the intermediate stations together is even number. So total number of people getting down at these stations is an even number. Are we clear with this? Also no person gets in and get down at the same station. Obviously same station में तो कौन ही चढ़ेगा, right? So see, let's have a look कि क्या बोलना चाह रहा है question. ठीक है? So see, if number of people getting, we know that the number of people getting in is twice the number of getting down, so it is 2. So 2 2s are 4, it can be 6, it can be 10, it can be 14, right? This is the possibility, tell me. Okay, 11 2s are 22, it can be 26, it can be 17 2s are 34, it can be, and 19 2s are 38, it can be, right? These are the possibilities, tell me yes or no. These are the possibilities. But see, now we can see the difference between 4 and 22 is not 20, right? Difference between 4 and 22 is not 20. Yes or no? The difference between any two immediate people station getting in should be 20. So minimum 20. So this is gone, right? This case is gone. So if 4 and 22 are gone, so in reply 2 and 11 are also gone, right? Because the number of people getting in should be twice exactly, right? Should be twice exactly. So this is gone. Okay, so this is gone. Are we clear with this? Okay, so now 26 plus 20 is 46. 23 ka double 46, this is possible. And now 29 ka double, 29 ka double, that is how much? 29 ka double, that is how much? 58 is possible, right? 58 is possible. Okay, cool, fine. Then 31 twos are, so 31, 46 plus 20 is how much? See, 46 plus 20 is how much? 66. But twice of 31 is how much? 62. Twice of 31 is how much? 62. We need minimum 66, right? And now we need minimum 66. So 46 plus 20, 66. That means the option of 31 is also gone, right? That means the option of 31 is also gone. So that remains 37 twos is 74. Okay. Now 74 plus 20 minimum gives us 94. 41 का twice is 82, gone. 43 का twice is 86, gone. We need minimum 94. 47 का twice is 94. That leaves us with the only possibility of 47 and 94. Tell me yes or no. That leaves us with the only possibility of 47 and 94. To remember, these kind of sets are called as quant based reasoning, right? And now these kind of sets are called as quant based reasoning, where your calculation is involved. And these are one of the best and the favorite sets of the examiner, right? These are one of the best and the favorite sets of the examiner. So 94 plus 20 gives us how much? 114. You know, 94 plus 20 gives us how much? 114. Now we clear with this. And twice of 53 is what? Twice of 53 is what? 106. So this option is gone. And now this option is gone. So the only option remains is 59 to 118, right? The only option remains is 59 to 118. This is the only possibility, tell me. This is the only possibility. So now let us look at the more options possible. What more we can eliminate. And now see what more we can eliminate. So if I take the minimum number from here, let us say the number of people gotten is 6, right? So from here we can take 3. So 6 plus 20 is how much? 26 is possible. Minimum possibility. Okay. Let us say 13. Okay. From here we can pick 46, and from here we can pick 23. Now why I picked these numbers only? Because for example, I picked 58. Now 58 plus 20 is how much? 78. But here 78 is not the possibility, right? Because the only possibility here is 74. That leaves the only possibility here is 76, 46. That leaves here the only possibility as 26. That leaves here the only possibility as 6. Tell me yes or no. Because these three are fixed, right? We cannot change them. We cannot change them. And the difference should be minimum 20. And the difference should be minimum 20, right? Are we clear with this? So all the other options are gone, right? All the other options are gone. So the only possibility that remains now is this. The only possibility, sorry, that remains now is this. Are we clear with this? Tell me. So these all options are gone. Now we need minimum of 20, right? We need minimum of 20. Clear with this? Okay, so this is 23. This is the only option remaining. This is the only possibility remaining. Now see, उसने बोला था the total of the number of people getting down should be even. Check करो, है ना? Total of number of people getting down should be even. 7 and 3 0 is even, 0 is even, right? And 9 and 3 12, this is even, right? है ना? The total of them is even. So this is satisfied, right? This is satisfied. So each and every criteria is satisfied, right? If you would have made any kind of mistake, है ना, तो ये even वाला criteria आपका satisfy नहीं होता, but ये even वाला criteria satisfy हुआ है. That means we have done fantastic work, right? That means we have done fantastic work. Are we clear with this? Okay. So now let's have a look at the question. क्या बोला है यार? प्लीज क्वेश्चन को देखने से पहले एक बार लाइक कर दो वीडियो को, लाइक कर दो, शेयर कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो. पैसे नहीं लगते हैं सब्सक्राइब लाइक शेयर के, राइट? पैसे नहीं लगते हैं लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर के. आर वी क्लियर विद दिस? आर वी क्लियर विद दिस? चलिए फटाफट से कर दीजिए. क्या बोला? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन नॉट बी द नंबर ऑफ पीपल गेटिंग डाउन एट इंटरमीडिएट स्टेशन. डाउन एट इंटरमीडिएट स्टेशन. सी 47 3 17 24. So 47 is possible, 3 is possible, 23 is possible, 17 is not possible, right? है ना? We cannot see 17 number यहाँ पे कभी भी नहीं है ना? Number of people getting down 17 doesn't seem the possibility, right? 17 doesn't seem the possibility. Are we clear with this, guys? So let's have a look. What is the minimum number of people with which the train starts from the originating station? तो originating station से minimum number of people लेके कितने में ट्रेन चलेगी? तो लेट अस सी कि यहाँ पे originating station है, ठीक? तो originating station पे से लेट अस से कि originating station पे से लेट अस से x number people got in. डाउन तो कोई हुआ ही नहीं होगा ओरिजिनेशन स्टेशन, राइट? डाउन तो कोई हुआ ही नहीं होगा ओरिजिनेशन स्टेशन पे, है ना? तो आफ्टर ए, राइट? तो सी एक्स नंबर ऑफ पीपल गॉट इन एट ओरिजिनेटिंग स्टेशन, राइट? 3 people got down at the A and 6 new people gets in at A. So that after the train leaves the station A, the number of people in train will be how much? Number of people in train after A will be how much? X plus 3. Tell me yes or no. And the number of people in train after A will be how much? X plus 3. Are we clear with this? So now see, we need to find out the minimum possible value of X. So for people to get down, 13 people to get down at B, right? है ना? पहले तो लोग उतरेंगे फिर लोग चढ़ेंगे ना. So these 26 people will get in after the people got down. So 13 people has to get down. So for 13 people getting down, there must be minimum number of 13 people in the train already. So that means this x plus 3 should be minimum to minimum 13, right? So that means x is equals to how much? 10. The minimum possibility of train starting with at the originating station should be 10. है ना? The minimum number of people starting at the originating station should be 10. Are we clear with this? है ना? अगर ट्रेन में उतने लोग हैं ही नहीं, ट्रेन में 13 people are not there, तो कहाँ से उतरेंगे, है ना? और सिंपली right, or simply we can say that is this is 13 and 3 16 उतरे होंगे and 6 चढ़े होंगे, तो कितना हो गए? 10. 16 minus 6, that is 10. We can also do it like this. Are we clear with this, guys? Are we clear with this? Clarity mind में. चलिए एक और करेंगे. So the minimum number of people at which the train starts from the originating station is 10. Are we clear with this? Okay. If the train starts from the originating station with the minimum number of people possible, we saw that x, that is equal to 10, right? Train starts with the minimum number of people with the originating station is 10. What is the number of people in train when it reaches the destination? So see, when it reaches the destination, right? So the 10 people gets in, right? Yes or no? 10 people gets in. So final destination is how much? Getting in minus getting down. Tell me yes or no. Getting in minus getting down. So 10 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 0 is 10. 6 minus 3 is how much? 3. Then 26 minus 13 is how much? 13. then this is 23, then this is 37, then this is how much 47, and then this is how much 59. टोटल कितना आ रहा है, चेक करो टोटल हाउ मच, 5 and 4 9, 9 and 3 12, 12 and 2 15, 15 1 16 and 1 17 है ना. तो 173, 176, 179 and 179 and 14 is how much, 179 and 14 is how much, 14, and this is how much, it is 192. Now tell me. Okay, so if train starts with the minimum number of people possible, that is 10, then it reaches the destination with 192 people, right? It reaches the destination with 192 people. तो क्या इस क्वेश्चन का आप आंसर होमवर्क में करके बताओगे मुझे? क्या इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप होमवर्क में करोगे? एंड यू नीड टू कमेंट योर आंसर, राइट, है ना. यू नीड टू कमेंट योर आंसर, मैक्सिमम टू मैक्सिमम कमेंट्स करना, है ना, एंड विल गेट बैक टू यू कि आपका आंसर सही है या गलत है. ठीक है, एंड लाइक भी करना वीडियो को मत भूलना. एंड बिफोर मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, द लास्ट कॉल फॉर द डे इज द AIMT, राइट, है ना, ऑल इंडिया मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज. अगर 13 का मौका अभी तक किसी ने नहीं दिया है तो जाके दे देना. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर कैट 2022 एस्पिरेंट्स इज मॉक राइट नाउ, है ना. इन 20th नवंबर को लास्ट आपका AIMT है, 20th नवंबर को लास्ट AIMT इज देयर, so go and give it and use the code, right? Until then, thank you, bye bye, and have a good day.